Hi, this is Mats Loan again from the Technique, and we're back in Bologna. It's September 7, and I got here to get some answers at questions that have been raised on the energy catalyzer this summer. And I got some new instruments, but I also found out that the energy catalyzer is now developed. It's a new model, completely more powerful than before. So here it is. But let me walk you through the setup as I've done before. So let's go over here. We got the electric current coming here through RCD, or residual current device, which eliminates the risk of having a current through the earth. Here we got some measure instruments to measure the current. It's presently almost 12 amps. AC current, DC current is 0. We measured that as well. So it's we got electrical resistance heating at 2.5 kilowatts. It's a lot more than before. Here we go through. We got the blue box. As before, the heat control. There is only one resistance now, and it's at maximum power. Number 9. And here's the cord going to that resistance. Here I usually measure the current also on this side, and it's absolutely the same as the one entering on the other side. So here's now the new connection for the resistance. Here are two connectors for an external signal device that used to be incorporated in the blue box that has been moved outside the box. It's switched off at this moment, but we're measuring the total energy consumption, electrical energy consumption altogether, so this one is included. Here's where you let the hydrogen gas in. We did that at the beginning, 3 grams of hydrogen gas. So it's all much bigger. It's the heat exchanger that takes more space. We got 30 liters of volume inside for water. Here is the temperature probe, and we got the water inlet on this side. Here it is, it comes there. So, and the water comes from the pump on the other side. Here's the pump, and we got a lot of water because this one is consuming about 15 liters per hour. It's much more than before. And here's the steam coming out from the famous black holes. We're going to look at that later. I'm going to show you the steam coming out without the holes. Here I've got the T connection to see how much water that's pouring out. We're going to measure that as well. And we're going to see some other things. But we can just note here, let me see if I can get this for you, that the temperature now is much higher than before. The temperature on the output is 129 degrees. 129 degrees vapor. Okay. So this is the situation right now after a couple of hours of tests. We started at 6:30, now it's 10:20. I'm going to tell you more about this later. Okay. Okay, so now it's 10:30. We started at 6:30. We switched on the heating at 7. We started boiling at 9 o'clock, and now at 10:30 we switched off the electrical resistance. So there is no more electrical heating. Let's see what this shows up to us here. We now have electrical current down at almost zero. So 0.1 amps. It used to be almost 12 ampere. Well, let's go over here and have a look also at the value. We got the same value on the cord that leads directly, that feeds the resistance. This is the cord that feeds the resistance. So this is what we got right now. It's 120 milliamperes. And we're going to follow the development, but right now steam temperature is 133. And it's, well, I can't make you see this, I suppose. Yes, 22:30. So now it's 10:10 p.m. So 22:10. We've been going half an hour without any electrical energy. The temperature of the steam is still 121, 122 degrees. You can just check that we have no electrical input. It's still 0.1 amperes. That's only current for control electronics. Let's see what's going to happen when we now have the end of the experiment. Here's the energy catalyzer. Here we have to open the valve for the hot, warm steam coming out. Pressure inside. Oh, got some heat inside here. That's what it is.